Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on October 1st, 2025, about 5 days ago. This paper delivers a compact 15 billion parameter multimodal reasoning model that scores 52 on the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index, matching DeepSeek R1.0.5-15 while using far fewer compute. The paper is titled Apriel-1.5-15B-Thinker, and as we will see later, the results are surprisingly strong for a single GPU model. In short, the method leans on depth upscaling, staged continual pre-training with synthetic visual tasks, and high-quality text-only supervised fine-tuning, no reinforcement learning, while averaging within about 5 points of Gemini 2.5 Flash and Claude Sonnet 3.7. You will find model cards, 15 billion parameter weights in safe tensors and GGUF quantizations, and clear usage examples for transformers, VLLM, and Llama CPP, plus hardware compatibility notes. Well, those resources set the stage. Figure 1 shows how the model stacks up on the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index, a composite score that blends many reasoning and multimodal tests into a single number. The chart places the model at 52, which matches DeepSeek R1.0.5-15 while using far less compute. The surrounding bars indicate that performance trails leading proprietary systems by about 5 points. This positioning matters because it suggests strong capability within a single GPU deployment budget. So Table 1 shows that continual pre-training stage 2 followed by supervised fine-tuning beats stage 1 across vision benchmarks, which signals that the targeted synthetic tasks sharpened visual reasoning. The vision-dominant math verse gain is about 9.6 points. SHAR-14 descriptive improves by about 6.0 points. AI 2D test rises by about 3.7 points, while other sets see consistent lifts because the model learned better spatial structure and grounding. Alright, Table 1 showed gains from targeted visual pre-training. Figure 2 shows the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index ranking, which is a composite score pooling several reasoning and multimodal tests into one number. The green bar at left places Apriel-1.5-15B-Thinker at 52, so it leads small open-weight models while staying close to much larger systems. This matters because the model pairs single GPU deployability with broadly strong reasoning. So, Figure 3 plots intelligence score against total parameters and shows how much capability you get per unit of size. The green most attractive quadrant means high score at moderate scale, which signals strong efficiency for real deployments. The Apriel-1.5-15B-Thinker dot lands inside that region because depth upscaling and staged continual pre-training delivered large gains without massive scale. Several much larger models sit to the right, which highlights a favorable cost to performance trade-off. Figure 3 highlighted efficiency, and Table 4 compares models across multimodal benchmarks using pass at 1 or accuracy. The green row shows Apriel-1.5-15B-Thinker achieving strong document and diagram understanding, with SHAR-14 descriptive at 88%. The average places it close to larger systems, which is notable because the model runs on a single GPU. It also posts balanced scores on MM-Star and MathVista, so overall capability spans general reasoning and visual math. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Careful mid-training with depth upscaling, staged continual pre-training, and high-quality supervised fine-tuning delivers frontier-like reasoning at 15 billion parameters, no reinforcement learning needed, and the targeted synthetic visual curriculum reliably boosts diagram and document skills. The broader implication is accessible, single GPU multimodal systems for real deployments. Thanks for listening. I am Alex, and this was the AI Research Roundup.